Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Stripe to your WooCommerce store so you can start accepting credit cards, Apple Pay, and more. Let's get started. First of all, go to WordPress dashboard, log into your account, and go to plugin section and click add new, or search in the search bar, type WooCommerce Stripe. Select WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway. It should have thousands of active installs. Click Install Now, then upgrade and activate it. Once the plugin is activated, go to WooCommerce and go to WooCommerce settings and click on the Payments tab. Here you will see Stripe listed. Click on Enable next to Stripe. Then click on Setup or Manage. Now you will need to connect your Stripe account. Click on the Connect with Stripe button. You will be redirected to Stripe's website where you can either log into your existing Stripe account or quickly create a new one if you don't have one yet. After logging in, Stripe will ask for permission to connect your account to your WooCommerce store. Click Authorize access to the account. Once connected, you will be redirected back to WooCommerce. Here, you can configure important settings like enable test mode for testing before going live, choose whois card brands to accept, customize the statement descriptor that shows up on customer bank statements. For better communication between Stripe and WooCommerce, like handling refunds or payment confirmations, it's recommended to set up webhooks. Then click the Create Webhooks link and WooCommerce will help you generate the connect webhooks URL. You will need to copy it and paste it into your Stripe dashboard under developer. Just go to your stripes.com and log into your account. Once you're in your dashboard, find the developer section like that. Then click webhooks and follow the prompts and paste the URL from WooCommerce. Once you have configured all the settings, make sure to click Save Changes. Now let's test it. Visit your store and add a product to your cart. And go to the checkout page. You should now see Stripe credit card fields. And if you enabled it Apple Pay or Google Pay options as well. Before going live, it's smart to use test mode. Enable test mode and Stripe will use fake payment details. So you can simulate real payments without being charged. Stripe provide test credit card numbers. You can use like 4242, 4242, 4242, 4242 with any future expiry date. Important to accept live payments securely, your website must have an SSL certificate, meaning your site address should start with HTTPS. Most hosting companies provide SSL for free nowadays. If you don't have it, set it up before going live with Stripe. Now let's test it. Add a product to cart and go to checkout. You should now see Stripe secure credit card fields. Try using a Stripe test card like 4242, 4242, 4242, 4242. Set an expiry date and a CVC and see if your order goes through. When you are ready to accept real payments, simply turn off the test mode, save changes, and your store will start accepting real customer payments. And that's it. You have successfully connected Stripe to WooCommerce. You are now ready to grow your business and accept payments from customers around the world. If this video helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you the next time. Thanks for watching.